We're going to take you live now to Joe Biden speaking in Washington, D.C. due to that narrow race in the US midterms.
Where in the hell is it written that America can't lead the world in manufacturing? We are, and we will, and we're going to continue to. Folks, look, just today we learned inflation came down last month. And mainstream economists are saying this is a really positive sign of the resilience of the economic recovery. It's going to take time to get inflation back to normal levels. We could see setbacks along the way. I realize that. But we are laser focused on it. That's why it's so critical for us to pass important legislation this year to lower those costs for families. And I know it's going to take time to implement our entire economic agenda, which we already passed, and for folks to feel it in their day-to-day lives. But I think folks are going to see it in the next few months. That's what's going to, and I think that's what they voted for. Watch what happens when people see new roads, bridges being built in their towns. They start to see the investments being made in electric rail all across America, where it's going to take significant number of vehicles off the road, reducing pollution. Watch what happens when there's affordable high-speed internet in every home in America. Watch what happens when they realize we meant what we said and the lead pipes start being pulled out of schools, daycare centers, homes, all across America. Watch what happens in January when seniors with diabetes on Medicare only have to pay $35 a month instead of $400 a month for their insulin. Watch what happens when big corporations in America start to pay their fair share. And by the way, a 15% tax, isn't that terrible? You all pay more than that. Look, but in 2020, the 55 largest of the 55 of the largest corporations in America paid zero on $40 million in profits. Those days are over. And watch what happens when new factories are being built in communities with American workers making the most advanced computer chips in the world. And by the way,
Okay, that is where we leave Joe Biden speaking in Washington, D.C.